your crypto will be stolen soon. The numbers don't lie. In 2023 alone, over 3.8 billion worth of cryptocurrency was stolen through various attacks, including hacks, phishing, and social engineering. To put this into perspective, that's a 40% increase from the previous year. One of the largest single attacks was on a decentralized finance platform where hackers exploited a vulnerability and drained over 600,000 million from its liquidity pools in less than 24 hours. While major exchanges have been the traditional targets, individuals like you who store their crypto in hot wallets or leave it on exchanges increasingly in the crosshairs. Hackers aren't just going after the big whales, but after anyone with a poorly protected wallet. First of all, use a hardware wallet. One of the easiest and most effective ways to protect your crypto is by using a hardware wallet. Unlike software wallets, hardware wallets store your private keys offline, meaning that even if a hacker gains access to your device or account, they will not be able to steal your funds. Popular options like Ledger or Trezor cost between $50 to $100, but the peace of mind they offer is priceless. In fact, in a survey conducted by security experts, 93% of respondents who used hardware wallets reported no incidents of theft or hacking. Even if you don't store your crypto on a hardware wallet, two-factor authentication is a must. Many exchanges and wallet providers offer this feature, which an extra layer of security by requiring you to enter a second code, usually sent to your phone or generated by an app before accessing your account. While this may seem like a small step, it's one of the most effective ways to stop hackers in their hacks. According to industry reports, 70% of hacked accounts in 2023 didn't have 2FA enabled. Avoid public Wi-Fi. You might be tempted to check your crypto portfolio while on the go, but be warned, public Wi-Fi is a hacker's playground. Attackers can easily intercept unencrypted data and gain access to your accounts. If you must check your crypto on the go, always use VPN, virtual private network. A VPN encrypts your data, making it much harder for hackers to access your sensitive information. According to a cybersecurity study, individuals using a VPN were 70% less likely to fall victim to Wi-Fi-based attacks. Beware of phishing attacks. Phishing attacks remain one of the most dangerous and common ways hackers steal cryptocurrency. These attacks usually come in the form of emails or direct messages that look like they are from legitimate source such as your wallet provider, exchange, or even well-known brands. They often contain links that lead to fake websites where you ask to input your private keys or login information. Once you do, your funds are as good as gone. A recent report shows that phishing attacks accounted for 22% of all crypto thefts in 2022. Always double check the sender's email address and never click on links that seem suspicious. Software developers are constantly patching security vulnerabilities, so it's essential to keep your wallet apps, exchange accounts, and even hardware wallets updated. Outdated software is a goldmine for hackers who can exploit known weaknesses to gain access to your funds. Make sure your device's encrypted software are set to automatically update whenever new patches are available. Finally, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Just as you should diversify your investments, you should also diversify where you store your crypto. Spread your assets across different wallets and exchanges. This way, if one wallet is compromised, you won't lose everything. A good rule of thumb is to keep a small portion of your crypto in a hot wallet for trading or short-term use, while the bulk should be stored in a cold hardware wallet for long-term security. One of the sneakiest ways hackers steal crypto is through social engineering. This involves manipulating you into giving up sensitive information either through fake tech support calls, fraudulent social media accounts, or pretending to be someone you trust.
You mailed in my company a postcard a few weeks back requesting information on penny stocks that had huge upside potential with very little downside risk. Does that ring a bell? Right now, John, the stock trades over the counter at 10 cents a share. And by the way, John, our analysts indicate it could go a heck of a lot higher than that. Your profit on a mere $6,000 investment would be upwards of $60,000.
One infamous case involved a hacker posing a well-known crypto influencer on Twitter, tricking users into sending over $150,000 worth of Bitcoin in exchange for fake giveaways. Always verify the identity of anyone asking for sensitive information or offering too good to be true deals. Cybercriminals don't just stop at phishing and social engineering. They have developed fake apps that appear legitimate but are designed to steal your crypto once installed. One notable example was a fake version of the popular MetaMask wallet that led to millions of dollars in losses. Additionally, hackers use fake links on social media platforms, luring users with promises of free crypto or giveaways. Once clicked, these links install malware that can compromise your accounts. Want to stay ahead of these threats and learn how to protect your assets with the latest security tips? Join our channel, where we offer in-depth guides on securing your crypto, real-time alerts on scams, and the latest market insights. What to conclude? Your action plan for crypto safety. With billions being stolen from unsuspecting investors every year, it's clear that crypto security is no longer optional, it's essential. Hackers are constantly evolving their tactics, and even the smallest vulnerability can lead to devastating losses. The steps we have outlined, using hardware wallets, enabling two-factor authentication, avoiding public Wi-Fi, and staying alert to phishing scam. But security isn't a one-time thing, it's an ongoing process of staying informed and adapting to new threats. Make sure you take action today to protect your crypto, and remember, the best way to stay secure is to stay informed. Don't wait until you are the next victim. Secure your assets and join our community for expert advice, breaking news, and cutting-edge security strategies to keep your crypto safe. Your digital wealth deserves more than just hope. It needs real protection. See you soon.